Is Cardano dead? Recently, a well-known expert has spoken out about this. On the other hand, crypto analysts and enthusiasts like BitBoy Crypto and Crypto Cow are optimistic that Cardano will reach $8 soon. Make sure to stay tuned so you won't miss a thing. Jason Appleton, or Crypto Cow as he is commonly known, has been involved with Cardano for quite some time. Additionally, BitBoy Crypto stated that he is among the loudest voices in Cardano. In 2017, he became extremely bullish on Cardano since he's been investing in it since the beginning. And during the bear market, many people, instead of selling at a loss, accumulated more rather than sold. And now they're all celebrating the changes in their lives. Thus, in this video, I will explain to you what kind of work goes into understanding, such as the technology and those involved, and what the future holds for Cardano. Moreover, Cardano still hasn't even touched upon anything at this point. I mean, we are still in an early stage. Further, there are a lot of things out there, and come January, I think there are a lot of people attempting to suppress Cardano because of what they like to do. Whatever the case may be, there are always the loudest people since they got sucked into something or bought into something that had fewer fundamentals. Even though it won't matter in the end because the technology, milestones, and everything that's been happening will speak for itself, and Cardano will blow away all these dramas that I've been seeing all over the internet. And as for BitBoy Crypto, was not that bullish on Cardano in 2018 or 2019, but he turned bullish about halfway through 2019. The reason for that is that he didn't like the roadmap's slow pace, and it wasn't fair to the price. Actually, they achieved all of their milestones at the same time as the bull run was launching, so the price moved up. So let's talk about Cardano and the current status of its project. It had a very slow roadmap, but it is now at the stage where all sorts of FUD is being spread. Furthermore, some people or skeptics say it's vaporware, it's not going to work. That stuff isn't being built. It's never going to be anything. But where does Cardano stand from Crypto Cow's perspective in terms of the technology and use cases? Because in terms of use cases and stuff, I think a lot of those FUDers are correct in the sense that the technology isn't quite there to compete with Ethereum yet. Clearly, we've all been trained to want instant gratification, right? We like to invest in a project and watch it grow 5 times in a week. And for us in this market cycle, we have been doing it since 2017 with Cardano. For many of us, an extended bull market is a foreign concept because we've grown accustomed to it. The wait keeps going on, and we're just being taught that this is how the real market operates. Then in an early adoption, you get to know if a project is a yay or nay. Moreover, Cardano also includes a variety of development teams, multiple companies working together, as well as all those partnerships with projects many consider to be of high level. Obviously, this isn't just throwing stuff at a wall and seeing what sticks, then fixing the problems later. Whenever a milestone is reached, the goal is to head right into the next one and not look back. And it's good that this development cycle is a bit longer, since they don't want to end up in a situation like Ethereum where everyone has to pay $400 in transfer fees for a $25 NFT image. In regards to where I think Cardano is, I think it has its foot in the stirrup, so I think it is getting ready to mount up, and then we will go for an exciting ride. When looking at Hydra, with just 1,000 stake nodes, there are currently 2,600 delegation nodes on Cardano, and they are growing, but with just 1,000, it calculates to like 84 billion transactions a day. Yet when Crypto Cow broke the numbers, there were millions of transactions per second on each node. Imagine multiplying that times the number of nodes out there, a much, much cheaper price than Ethereum, and then telling me what could compete with that. With this in mind, as well as all of the different use cases associated with the different countries, such as in Africa, we are going to see a lot more than just purchasing items on this network. Essentially, they've enabled an entire country to join this new era, this new revolution, and this will take the project to even higher heights. Although it will take some time, once it reaches these pivotal points, it's going to be difficult to tear down by a similar project in the future. And there will be these people who have been in your community from 2017 to 2018, accumulating all throughout the bear market, and they are all set. The price move from $3 to $1.20 for Cardano does not affect them. It may affect your portfolio, but that's nothing compared to how much money they have already made. So what do you think about those people who might have bought Cardano around $3. When will they be able to recoup their losses? So is there any indication that Cardano's price is starting to move in the right direction? Although we can expect a lot of the price action in the crypto market to be based on Bitcoin first. Fundamentally, it makes no difference what milestones are met, what technology Cardano is able to offer. All that matters if Bitcoin takes a huge dip. Basically, the question is if we are still in a bull market, or have we entered a bear market? If we are in a bear market, no matter what is launched, the technology, no matter what partnerships exist, everything will continue. It simply means that when the bull market returns, it will solidify the fundamentals that will drive the price higher. And everyone was like, stop selling FUD. This is what's happening, and sure enough, after a couple of weeks, the price of Cardano has fallen and is continuing to fall. Meanwhile, Crypto Crow compared many metrics and many indicators of where we are now compared to 2013 or 2014, and the spread is widened considerably. In addition, I believe that the spread between the two peaks is higher since we are in a longer bull market cycle. I think you see there are so many factors involved with this. In any case, I believe Cardano is on its way up again. Furthermore, some analysts predict it will reach $40. As we get ready for that next leg up, it will be able to reach new heights. However, there's a big question mark right now. Come January, will Cardano be able to reach new all-time highs? And this is because several projects are awaiting announcements or launches, so I can tell you right now that January is about to be a busy month for a lot of projects. Before we move on, I'm going to tell you about the best regulated crypto fiat platform built by real traders, Curex. What is the most important? Curex has an extremely holistic approach to all of the crypto processes and solves a wide range of crypto field issues. It provides a one-stop shop digital finance experience through advanced trading, payment, and custody technology for retail and institutional clients. Curex is on public sale now, so I want to tell you about its features right now. Curex is characterized by the coin's multiplicity. There you can find a lot of coins, whatever coin you want. The trade volume per week is more than $172 million. Moreover, Curex recently has received a Class 4 virtual finance asset license from the Malta Financial Service Authority, the highest of its kind. Under the Class 4 VFA license, Curex, under the Real Exchange Ltd, will provide its VFA services to experienced and novice investors in full compliance with the EU regulations. It includes VFA exchange management, own account transactions, custody, and control of clients' assets. Class 4 VFA license by the Malta Financial Services Authority makes Curex one of the few cryptocurrency exchanges to have received such high recognition. You can buy KRRX token on the website with at KRRX_bot in Telegram or on the HitBTC platform. You don't need to pass verification if you buy KRRX. To buy KRRX on the HitBTC platform, you just create easily an account and log in. Then you go to the search bar next to Instruments. If you type KRRX, you can find the KRRX to USDT pair. Right now, you're ready to buy. Note, no financial advice. Additionally, Crypto Cow has calculated much, and he has calculated Cardano's potential peak in two different ways. It is certainly a fascinating fact that both of them fell on around $8, but in completely different ways. Furthermore, Crypto Cow prediction is that things will start turning around $8 when things blow off the top peak. However, it's not important in the sense that you could get out, take profit, wait for a new bottom, and it's possible that we will see some genuinely new trends in the market space that we're not used to. Moreover, Benjamin Cohen, an American researcher, financial analyst, YouTuber, and creator of the Into the Cryptoverse analytics website and community, has been discussing an extended bull market recently, or extended market cycles. As a result, I believe it will go to the next level where we won't have market cycles anymore. The price of the day or the week will be the only difference for a few days, then things get a lot trickier. So at the moment, I think the best thing is that we are still in the early stages of adoption. After the early adoption phases end, we will have more opportunities to accumulate more of what we are interested in, so we don't have to worry about looking back at tomorrow's price. That is why, if you're an investor of Cardano, do more in-depth work or focus on the technology and what's actually being built rather than the hype. The fact is that Cardano is Ethereum's main competitor, and also Solana and the rest of these projects are also aiming to surpass Ethereum in different ways. Do not be so concerned about it, just focus on the projects, the partnerships that you think will benefit you and the ecosystem at large. Then, if you like it, accumulate the rest without worrying about anything else. Furthermore, don't worry so much about today's prices when predicting prices and about the rumors that Cardano is dead. Just look at the future technology and what it's building. In the current state of the Cardano ecosystem, it is just in its infancy, and we will have to wait and see how it develops. With Cardano around $1.32 a few days after New Year, I believe that soon we'd all be celebrating and welcoming an $8 Cardano. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.